师傅好，同学好。
Right, today we are going to talk about the New Year resolution. So every year, this season, the end of November, in the beginning of December, people start to reflect themselves and make New Year resolution. I receive emails, messages, and sometimes even Christmas cards during the season, sharing with me, friends or practitioners or students sharing their meditation experience or their reflection or their New Year resolution with me. This is one of the example. I just received this email about a couple of days ago. So yeah, this is the email I received. This practitioner said that I didn't do my best to bring my meditation to the next level, as I didn't practice consistently. I always had a busy schedule, but I knew that I could still manage my time to have a regular sitting meditation. There was no reason that I could not find or make 1 hour from the 7 days of a week to be with myself for my sitting meditation. So true, right? Yeah, this is a part of your training here as well in our Zen Center. People keep saying that I lead a busy life, right? My question is always like, can you just make it 1 hour from the 7 days of a week? Just find 1 hour from your 7 days, right? That's it. Then you can do regular sitting sessions. So this person acknowledged this teaching and saying that, yeah, there's no reason that I could not do it. I can find 1 hour from the 7 days a week to be with myself for my sitting meditation to know myself better, right? So what happened? What happened there? He said, the thing that prevented me from advancing my Zen meditation was my busy life had become my best reason of excuse not to have regular sitting sessions. So true, right? Yeah, we make a plan for our regular sitting sessions. So, for example, every Wednesday, every Thursday. Then this week you say, no, I need to have a dinner with someone. So maybe next week. And next week, oh, no, I need to work on this project. So next week. And then next week, right? Yeah, you didn't make time for it. And then your busy life become your best excuse for not having the regular sitting session. So this person noticed that. Very good, right? And continuously, this person said that I will remind myself of this mistake and do it right next year. Do it right next year. Right. This is this person's New Year resolution. Sounds good, right? Yeah. Do you have a similar resolution? Next year. Next year? Are you sure? This is just early December. You still have like 20 days to go. And you're telling yourself next year? Are you canceling this year, the 20 days of your life? No, don't do this, right? Yeah, you're canceling the 20 days of your life. And is this your pattern that we always keep saying that next week? I can do it next month? And now you say next year? Are you waiting for next life? Are you canceling this life? No, we do it now. Yes, I know. And then we all know, not just I know, that there are really some things that we cannot finish it today. We cannot finish it, complete it this week, or even this month. Yes, there are things that we cannot complete now. Yeah. My question is this your pattern? That means how many things of your life you keep saying that this, I cannot do it. I need to wait until next week. Or this, I can put it on next month. And then next life. Right? You can resume your regular sitting sessions now. Why do you need to wait until next life? This way you abandon you, right? This 20 days of your life. You're abandoning your this week of your life, right? Yeah. So if you find that this is your pattern, then you need to be careful about your situation, right? Knowing that, hey, you're just canceling your life, right? Being aware of yourself is the first step of practicing Zen meditation. So you just know yourself. Okay, good. But we are not talking about the behavior changing, behavior correction, because we are a Zen center, not a behavior correction center, right? Yeah. So this is our real situation but I just cannot do it now. Right? So many things I just want to put it away. Let them stay there until next month, next year, right? So how is it possible that I can do everything now? Or I can acknowledge this I at this moment? Because we keep saying that Zen is about right here, right now, right? You go read a lot of Zen books, so they would everyone telling you that Zen is about right here, right now. But our life experience is no way. For the things I don't like, I just push them away, right? Yeah. So did you see the conflict between your life and the theory of Zen, which is, yeah, we can simply put like right here, right now, or no self. This I wanting to get rid of this ear, right? No self. This is wrong you, this is wrong I, right? Don't want to do this now. No self. This is strange, right? So as a Zen practitioner, you need to see this. You need to acknowledge your mind movements, and then you notice that your situation, your mind movements, your thoughts, your emotion, your everything is conflicted with the Zen theory that right here, right now, or no self. And then you see the conflicts, then you generate the doubting sensation naturally, genuinely. And this way, you're practicing Zen meditation. Otherwise, you just change your behavior, which is good, become a better person. It's always a good idea. It's always good for your life. But as a Zen practitioner, your job is to see the conflict between yourself, your life, your real mind movements, your everything, which is different of a conflict with the Zen theory that you are no self, or everything, you need to see everything right here, right now. Then you see that you cannot do it, that is not you, very good. Then you generated that doubt sensation. How is it possible that I am Zen? I am no self all the time. So what is that? What is my self nature? what is right here, right now, what is no self. This way, you're practicing Zen meditation. You're practicing 话头 or doubting meditation. Good. So this is for today's class. We are talking about the New Year resolution, right? Remember, build up your regular sitting habit. Sit twice a week or at least once a week, right? Starting at a fixed time. Sit 1 more minute every week and email your Zen diary to school@nonzencenter.org. And that's for today's class. See you next time. 谢谢师傅，谢谢同学。